Okay, so hello everyone, you're welcome to tutorial with David C. ABC Graphics. So I want to show us how to do something like this on Inshot. So let's get into it. Let's first of all go to our Inshot app. Let's go to our Inshot app, which is right here. So now I've already been to the app, so we're going to be clicking on college. So the parts listed green is college. Click on it. Now college is just, if we're in the general class, in the program, I told us what a college meant. It's just like adding, you can see what they said now. They said choose 1 to 9 photos to create a beautiful college. It's just like putting about plenty images to create one image. So let's look for something that we can use. So I did a project recently, the graphic design project, and I finally finished up with it. And so I'll be listing everything out so I can get a very good. So let me take this. It's an accelerate project, so let me just collect everything I did on that it to give it that. Okay, this one is path. Alright. We need just 2 more to go so we can have a perfect college. Oh, where are this? Now that invitation. Okay, there's a lot. Yes, this is part. Oh, let's not put this first. There's one more missing. But college is a very cool effect you can try for you. You can really try and create magic. It's a very good one. I just want us to just play around with this Inshot. You really get hold of it. Play with it. Play around with it. Really play with it. Okay. This one. And let's go to our layout button. We're going to add one, but I want to show something. So you can choose different types of layouts. Is this one you want? This one you want? No, look for something that will show every single thing on the screen. So click here. It's showing everything, but I want to add one more to make it 5 to give that look of that one you just saw, of the one I showed you. So let's look at this now. If you click on this, one more is missing. So let's go and look for one more we can add to it. Let's add that eagle part. Okay, this one. Now if you see the change, the layout has changed. So let's go and look for one that will implement everything into it. And we have this. Perfect. Now if you see, there are some white lines around this whole thing. Sorry, you see, you can even change it by only clicking any of them. You get to change their position. So just putting them back, it helps you in fixing them appropriately. So you click on the border. When you click on border, you can be able to move it up, move it depending on how you want it to be. You can create white lines around it. So let's leave it something like this. Even this one can be able to push it back, but let's leave it to something a little bit and click on this. Now we've gotten to our panel page. Now that's where we work with things and everything. So let's look at our frame. Let's change the frame of this from, that's like changing the shape of it. Now let's make it something like that has curves. So you see the curves like so. Let's put it on 3. Just follow my settings and you get the perfect thing you want. So what else are we going to touch? Let's look at border. That's what we have. Now let's change the background. So instead of having a white background, now we are seeing that it's taking the first image, this image background. But if you click on anyone you click on, you can have the background of that particular image. If you click on this one now, you automatically take his background. If you click on this one, you take his background. If you click on the fourth one, you take his background. If you click on this one, you take his background. I would like the one I used for the one, I used the second one, and you have the background. Always use, you can choose any one you want. whether you want to choose the third one, the fourth one, but I'm choosing the fourth one because it helps in blurring the image very well to give that smooth touch. So if you are done with your effect, you just click on this and we are done. So you go ahead and save it.
But think back to when I was demonstrating the nervous captain at the top. How did that make you feel?
Okay, saving.
And then when the
And once you save it, you have your, now click on that search button and then you have your smooth and beautiful effect. So that's it. Thank you very much. This is the VC Graphics tutorial. I'm keeping my word. Peace.